Learn one Chinese character, unlock 10 useful words, and grow your Chinese world. Today, let's continue our Forms of Address series. We're learning the character Sun.
What does this character mean at its core? The character Sun refers to a grandson or a younger descendant. It represents the idea of family continuity and the passing of generations.
How did this character evolve over time? Do you remember the oracle bone form of the character Zi? In its earliest form, the character Sun combines the image of a child with a shape that looks like a thread. Together, it forms a simple picture of a child connected by a line, suggesting how a family line continues from one generation to the next. Over time, the character became standardized as the traditional form. Later, in simplified Chinese, the right side was reduced, giving us the modern form.
How is this character structured? The character Sun has a left-right structure. On the left is zi, meaning child, and on the right is xiao, meaning small. Together, they suggest the idea of a younger child or the next generation, that is, a grandchild or descendant.
Let's practice reading it. It is pronounced in the first tone. Repeat after me. Sun, Sun, Sun. How do we write this character? Follow the left to right writing order. First, write the left part, zi. Start with a horizontal turning stroke, then a curved hook, and finish with a horizontal stroke across the middle. Next, write the right part, xiao. Start with a vertical hook, then add a left dot and a right dot. Keep the left side slightly compact and the right side balanced. Let's unlock 10 useful words from this character. Sunzi means grandson, refers to your son's son. Sunnu means granddaughter, refers to your son's daughter. Waisun means grandson, refers to your daughter's son. Waisunnu means granddaughter, refers to your daughter's daughter. Zisuan means descendants. Sunbei means the grandchild generation. Zhisuan means grandnephew. Zhangsun means eldest grandson. Sun'er means grandson, often used in a more affectionate or casual way. Sun Xifu means grandson's wife. There's something special about this character.
If you look at the traditional form Sun, you will notice something interesting. It is made up of zi, child, and shi, thread, connection. This creates a clear visual meaning, a thread connecting one generation to the next. It represents how a family line continues over time. Compared to the simplified form, the traditional character shows this idea more directly. Let's look at a fun story behind this character. The character Suen does not only refer to a descendant, it is also a very old Chinese surname. Throughout Chinese history and culture, this surname appears in many well-known figures. One of them is Sun Wu, better known as Sun Tzu, an ancient military strategist associated with Sun Tzu Bingfa, the art of war. His ideas have influenced thinking for centuries. Another famous figure is Sun Wukong, the Monkey King from Journey to the West. Clever, rebellious, and full of energy, he is one of the most iconic characters in Chinese literature. People often call him Sun Houzi, literally monkey son. It sounds playful and a little mischievous, which fits his personality perfectly. Did you learn this character today? More interesting character lessons are on the way. Follow us and learn one Chinese character a day to build your Chinese world.